Shuvuha Lamshiha Maran Slama Amuhon, or peace be with you. No matter how much applause one receives in the field of preaching, no matter how great one becomes, no matter how powerful the corrections may be, only when the preaching of the early Slihaik or apostolic Etha or church is handed down, does it truly belong to the Nasraya way of faith. The subject of the preaching of the early Slihaik Etha is the holy tradition, that is the unwritten word and written word, which means the word who is the risen Yeshua Mashiach. Welcome in risen Yeshua to Mar Sliva Dera that works in the lifestyle of the early Slihaik Ethas preaching. Mar Sliva Dera Code 13. Shuvuha Lamshiha Maran Slama Amuhon.